In this video, we will be replacing the power transfer unit fluid in this 2019 Jeep Compass. To prep this vehicle, we have raised the front on Rhino ramps, and we have safety stands just in case the Rhino ramps fail. We also have wheel chocks behind the rear tires and have set the parking brake. And we want to begin by looking underneath the vehicle towards the rear and locating the oil pan where you would typically do an oil change from. And a little closer view, we can see that oil pan, and if we look directly behind the oil pan, we can see that power transfer unit. And again, if we locate our oil drain plug from our oil pan and we follow that over to our power transfer unit, we can see our drain plug for that power transfer unit. If we then follow that towards the top, we can see our fill plug for that power transfer unit. And we do want to loosen the fill plug first, just in case we have issues with the drain plug. We don't want to drain all the fluid out and then not be able to put it back in. And with a drain pan installed, we can loosen up that drain plug. And we do want to inspect that plug. Now we will notice that there is a brass crush washer that helps seal this. And on the end of this, we do have a collection of metal debris that we need to clean off. And there also appears to have been some Teflon tape on this, so we will add just a little bit to it before we install it. And then we can reinstall that drain plug, torquing it to 15 foot-pounds. And out of curiosity, I did collect the fluid in a bucket that I can basically measure it. This unit holds 0.8 pints, and this basically confirms that we have removed a half a quart. So we're going to work towards removing the fill plug next. Again, this is up on the side where you really can't see or access it very good. And we'll do a quick inspection on that fill plug. This does also have a brass crush washer, and everything appears to be in good condition. And we are ready to install our new fluid. This does take 75W90 Amsoil severe gear. And the most difficult part of this is getting it up in there. So we will work at that to fit that into place. We're going to fill this until some fluid starts seeping out of the fill hole. And again, we should be putting in about a half a quart. And the next time I do this, I would highly recommend just hooking a tube to your bottle and run that tube up in there. That would have created much less of a mess. And this will then get torqued to 15 foot-pounds. And after that, this repair is complete.